How to zoom in and zoom out on TradingView chart. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's video, I'll simply show you how you can zoom in and zoom out on TradingView chart. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to zoom in and zoom out on TradingView chart, so let's say that you have this TradingView chart, right, and you want to zoom in. What you can do is you have to hold down the control button on your keyboard for PC and Windows, and if you're a Mac user, hold down the command button. So it's control or command, and then after you hold on control, you just want to scroll through your mouse wheel just like that. So when you scroll through your mouse wheel, you'll be able to go ahead and simply zoom in just like that. So after you scroll through it, you can be able to see it in a more zoom format, as you can see in this case. If you want to zoom out, hold on control and then just zoom back out again just like that. You should be able to go ahead and successfully zoom out again in this case. Now this is one way to do it, by using the control and your mouse wheel, right? The other way you can do is on the left hand side, you'll see all this option, and then you'll also find the option called zoom in. So you'll find the plus icon, right? So just go ahead and select the zoom in button, which is the plus icon, and as you do that, you can select some specific portion of the chart that you want to zoom in, and once you do that, it will automatically zoom in. If you want to zoom out on the left hand side, just select the option called zoom out again. This is how you can zoom in and zoom out on TradingView chart. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.